Hello, my name is Tatiana Williams, and I will be presenting my Week 1 Assignment 2 for Instructor Rapkin's course, Professional Skills. This week's focus was on identifying one's top character strengths following the VIA model and picking the 3 most significant to themselves. Throughout these next 5 weeks, I want to focus on my curiosity and judgment, which stem from the wisdom group, and my teamwork, which emphasizes the virtue of justice. I chose these 3 simply because they most represent me. That being said, these strengths are not shocking to me. However, teamwork being so high on the totem pole at 3 is interesting because I feel like I have a duality when it comes to that trait. It is situational. Sometimes I prefer solo work when I absolutely must focus and feel too many people will create too many distractions. On the other hand, there are times when I enjoy hearing and learning new angles. I tend to be, for lack of better terms, a silent team player. These character strengths also come with positive correlates, as shown by Peterson and Seligman 2004 in Character Strengths Interventions Table 1.1. People with the curiosity character strength overall have a positive effect. For example, challenging stereotypes and making complex decisions. We enjoy the challenging task and often desire it, and we should. Curiosity is innate to us, always the curious child. It is unique with various levels and fields of curiosity, and to those most curious, insatiable, searching endlessly, and glad to do it. It plants ideas and brings people from diverse backgrounds and beliefs together. A wildflower growing independently alongside many crowds and adversities. Recently, I've switched from what I believe to be a job to my current career as a dog groomer. My curiosity has increased. This field calls for spontaneity and lots of creative problem solving, creating new methods and upcycling old ones. On the same side, the positive correlates for teamwork are social trust and the belief in the innate goodness in people. Teamwork is everywhere and in everything I do. Coordinating with my colleagues, working with my peers, making a game plan with my academic advisor, or simply being with my family. People with the judgment character strength, ironically being part of the wisdom value instead of justice, are adaptable and better suited at handling stress. We are not easily swayed or manipulated because of our ability to analyze and weigh a situation. A new way I'm using my judgment is, at work, instead of my decisions being autonomous and solely to inform myself, I have shifted into an authoritative role, commanding the room and making decisions for the safety and well-being of myself, my dogs, and pet parents. I look forward to further exploring my curiosity, judgment, and teamwork over these next 5 weeks and seeing how they grow.